We strive to become our clients' trusted advisors. What's common across all of our clients is a need to have trust in who they're partnered with. They want to know that we're aligned with them, that we understand them. What our clients want is a friction-free engagement. They want to be able to have confidence in our ability to deliver. They want to get the experience that they deserve, and they want it to be easy.
We want our folks to get to know their clients and learn about what's important to them so that they can better deliver. We're really asking all those questions about their business, their outcomes, what they're trying to achieve. We're not just there to write code, we're there to really think about the solution and how it will last in the future.
We think about what we do and how we do it extensively. Continuous improvement underlies our core values. We constantly go back to that. How are we doing? What have we learned? How can we improve? How do we turn those into best practices? And then how do we take those across the organization? And that for us leads to successful client engagements.
Clients look at us as team members of their own.
It's not just that we partner with Sparq to develop our software.
I have John and Sarah and Bresden on my team, and they're creating this solution for us.
We have rented cars from the same places. We've shopped for groceries in the same places. We've gone for healthcare in the same places. And not that it is specifically about being here, but understanding how here works, we think puts us at a bit of an advantage above others who are time zones away. Because of cultural context, we understand motivations of businesses, our clients, maybe a little more so than others. And that enables us to get to value more quickly.
Our people care about the success of their peers, of their clients, of the work that they do. They're very passionate and proud. We just have this really great culture where people want others to succeed. It benefits our team, it benefits our clients, and so it's just part of the value that we bring.